Hey everybody, this is Squid here. So we were heading down to Neskowin, Oregon today on the coast. Had a customer call. He has a old 79 VW van, I believe he said. He's having problems with it. He changed out the filter and all that, but he says it just doesn't seem to be like getting fuel, doesn't want to start. So we'll go down there. We'll get that checked out, see what's going on with it. We'll see y'all down there. Talk to you later. So we're almost to the vehicle. Just got a few more miles to go. A person sent me a text just not too long ago. They said that the vehicle is completely out of gas, and I was wondering if I could breathe some gas. If you ever need your vehicle diagnosed, make sure one, it has gas in the vehicle so we can do a proper diagnosis. And so we're not spending our time working on trying to get gas for your vehicle and all that. It just helps you out, helps us out. Alright, we'll be there in a few. So we're at here, this 79 VW Bug. It's an old one, it's a classic. You can see it got the old engine is in the back. The customer said he changed out the filter in the fuel pump, and filter did have stuff in it, but when he got a cheap fuel pump, he did run it dry, and he thinks he may have ruined it. I did go down and test it, and the resistance is bad, and when I tried to actuate it with my VDiag 500 Pro, it was the pump motor is seized, so before I can go any farther, that pump has to be changed out and get a better pump for it. So let the customer know about that. And if you're wondering where the fuel pump is on these old VW buses, I'll show you here. I'll crawl underneath here. Right here we have the filter. And then right there's the fuel pump. Hopefully you can see it. I don't know. And that thing has to be changed out again. So, like I said, we'll let the customer know and all that. Once he gets back, he said he was going to go get fuel for the vehicle. And as soon as he comes back, we'll let him know and all that. We'll probably have to come back out here. Everything. Alright, have a good one all. So like I said, when you call a mobile mechanic out, make sure your vehicle has fuel in it, and just helps us out and everything. Try to make sure the battery's charged for us also, unless you think the battery's bad, then we'll test that too. Just try to help us out so we can help you out better. And but we'll get back with you guys. I don't know what the customer will do. Still waiting on the customer to come back and see what he wants to do. All right, have a good day. Nice sunny day here in Neskowin, Oregon, and nice blue clouds, no rain. Nice.